Hello, David here from Grudgies, and today I've got a very special package in the mail. It's the Ownboard W1 with the Sanyo battery. It's in this big heavy box and we're going to unbox it now. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside the first box we've got a second box that says that it's made in China. Then we've got a box that's actually pretty nicely designed. We've got the top of the Ownboard right here, and then the side of the Ownboard on this side. So it tells us it has 2 speed modes, max riding speed of 38 kilometers an hour, 2 riding modes, which is probably the same as 2 speed modes, recharge time of 3 to 5 hours. That's more than the standard battery, because I got the Sanyo battery, which is twice or 3 times as much. Then we've got an regenerative braking system. That's supposed to say regenerative. That means that it charges the battery when you brake, but they forgot to put the R there. Lightweight at 7.8 kilograms, wireless controller, wheels with a diameter of 90 millimeters and a range up to 20 to 25 kilometers. Now that's wrong, that's actually 30 to 35 kilometers. But we'll see what range we get once we test it. Here it is, the Ownboard. So underneath the board are several packages. We get 2 extra foam covers in case we want to swap a deck. Then we get 2 of these, I believe these are for the bumpers, so they don't break as fast. Then all of the accessories. So we've got a manual, we've got a nice piece of paper stating all the specs and what's inside of the board, or what should be inside of the board. We've got the charger with the charging lead, the skate tool with integrated screwdriver, that's always a bonus. Then we've got the cable for charging the remote with some extra Ownboard stickers. Then we've got another tool, I don't know where this is for, useful to have. A rear light, no front light, but that's okay. And last but not least, the remote. And this is actually the reason why I bought the Ownboard instead of the Meepo or the Wowgo. Okay, so today I'll be taking the Ownboard for a spin. I've got it charged all the way up, I've got the remote charged all the way up. I'm gonna turn it on. Vibrates and it gives me the lights. Turn the board on. It's 18 degrees Celsius right now. With my backpack and everything I'm holding, I'm about 95 kilos. So let's test the range and the max speed. So I just got some sandwiches and now I'm off to the beach, and there I will be testing the top speed. It's a beautiful day, it's kind of windy, I don't know if you can hear. My overall impressions of the board until now are that it's amazing. The brakes are absolutely fantastic. The power of the board overall is fantastic. I have already ridden a couple of miles on it, and I can say that I'm really impressed. I don't think we're gonna get the biggest range out of it today because of the wind. And of course you have to bear in mind that I'm 95 kilos, so your mileage may vary. So yeah, we'll see you on the beach. I want to do a speed test already, so full stop. Now full throttle on. And we're stopped. Whew, that was heavy. I want to go out and do a hill climb test. So I found a pretty steep hill. It's this hill. I think it's pretty steep, so we'll try it out. Well, here we go, from a complete stop up this hill. We did it. Let's see if it can break me as well. I'll try to stop at my bag. Almost. Not entirely, but good enough. So we made it out onto the beach, and we have 2 bars and 1 blinking bar left. So this was about 7 kilometers, which would mean we would probably get about 20 if we go on like this. Don't you just love the freedom a board like this can give you? Just go to the beach, have a sandwich with the most perfect weather imaginable. Just look at this. Am I right? Wonderful lunch, and now I'm just gonna cruise on the beach until my battery dies, so I'll see you then. There's way too much wind if you're going that way. So I'll just be going this way until the battery dies, I guess. So I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, by the way, we've crossed 10 kilometers, which is probably like 6 miles or something. We are at exactly half of the battery percentage left. We're now almost 14 kilometers in, and we're down to 1.5 bar left. I guess we will make it up to 20. And I hope we'll make it even further, but I'll keep you updated. I just tried another speed test. I think we got to 31 kilometers an hour. You'll probably see it somewhere down on the screen right now. And I think that's due to the voltage sag. I think the voltage sag is noticeable. It doesn't make a big difference. It's still an insane board. My legs are starting to feel a little bit tired. And I can't believe I'm even complaining having so much range, but it's tiring. I don't even know where to go to at this point. I've been everywhere, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing that this has so much range that you just end up not knowing where you need to go to next. So we're at 20 kilometers now and we still have 1 bar left, so I'm just going full speed up and down one road until it dies, I guess.
I think we're at 24 or 25 kilometers now, maybe 26, I don't know. It will pop up on the screen, and the board light is just blinking, the last light. So I think the board is about to die, and it's also going really slow. I'm at top speed now. I'm just going faster than an old sir on a bicycle. The board is still going. It's literally the speed of walking or pushing very slowly, and I'm having the remote wheel all the way up, so it should go at full speed. The voltage check is real at the very end of this battery. So I think I'm just gonna call it quits because this is not worthy of counting. The brakes do still work, so that's fantastic. I am now at home and the remote says one blinking bar left. The motors do still go. But not strong enough to get you up to speed. So I'm just gonna kind of quit here, although the motors do still go. So, my final thoughts of the board are that it is an amazing piece of technology and I would definitely recommend buying the Ownboard W1. I got a range of 27 kilometers with a top speed of 33 kilometers an hour. That's a 16.7 mile range with a top speed of 21 miles an hour. I would say that those are some impressive specs, especially when considering the weight the board had to push. The board is also flexible enough to ride over bumps almost unnoticed. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.